Hello everyone, this is my review of the Pixel LED light kit. This light kit comes with a nice case that you can put in so you can travel with it. So you do your filming, your streaming, or your video recording any way you need to. It's pretty easy to set up. It's not much components as you can see here. Just set up your tripod stand, then attach your flex shaft, then screw in your LED light to the top. The LED light has bright. You can turn it from bright to dim, and you have your barn door shutters so you can direct the light wherever you need to. So let's see what it looks like when it's all set up. You see how nice and bright it is, and good that it comes with two in a pack so you can get all your angles and spots. As you can see how beautiful it makes me look. I hope this review helps.